Lots of good tips, digital marketing, social media tips and tricks. Lots of places to go to and have a look at and work out sorts of things that we need to do. Great audience participation too. It was nice to have some people telling their own stories about the sorts of things that they're using. And so from a Nurse Maude point of view, it's green fields for us. There's a whole lot of stuff that we need to do, and I'm going to take away a whole lot of things back to work and talk to our marketing team about. I think the use of Facebook is probably one of the things that I'm going to take away. We don't use it particularly well, and it's an opportunity for us to really sort of lift our game in that area. And videos. There's lots of great things stories that Nurse Maude can tell, and I think that there's some stuff that we can do around that as well. I think the format of the training went very well. So I was able to bring my own device to the session and easy connect up to the Wi-Fi. Able to utilise all the technology that was here, worked through some really good sessions, a nice sort of format, a nice plan, nice flow, and again the audience, the people in the audience providing their own stories was great, and I think it was appreciated by the people next to me and myself.